On this video, we are going to perform a password cracking, and we are going to make use of a tool called Join the Reaper tools, right? And you can find this Join the Reaper tools inside Kali Linux. So if you don't know how to install Kali Linux, you should watch this video or just go through my channel. I drop a video step by step on how to install Kali Linux and VisualBoss, right? So I want you to pay attention to this video. This video is going to show you all the steps you need in cracking a password. Remember, this video is for educational purpose alone. Those of my students who are cyber security trying to get more knowledge into the cyber field, that is why I'm making this video. If you're joining my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe so that anytime I drop amazing video like this, you won't miss out. All right, so let's go. So the first thing we are going to do, since we have Kali Linux installed on our computer, the next thing we are going to do now is we are going to crack a password. And to do that, we are going to make use of Join the Reaper tools, like I said, right? We are going to make use of Join the Reaper tools. So for now, this is how the interface of Kali Linux look like. To those of you that are familiar with, you should know. So now let's go to where it says application and password attacks. You can see John, not your regular John. This is John the Reaper tool. So once you click on John, it's going to take you to the terminal, and here you can see John the Reaper tools password cracker. This is the version I have on my system, right? This is the version I have on my system. This video is for educational purpose. Don't do anyhow with it. All right, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, right? So for now, we are going to crack a password inside Linux, right? And to do that, inside Kali Linux, and to do that, Kali Linux is a very secure operating system. It's not easy to crack any of the password, but because of this tutorial, we are going to try crack it, right? So let's go. So you go to where it says computer, and you click on etc, right? You get there, scroll up, yeah, click on shadow. All right, so you can see all these are a bunch of different, look at the top, roots. You see that straight line that says roots? Those are password, right? Well, this password are encrypted already, so we are going to crack it to know the exact password that's supposed to be there. You get to know the exact password that's supposed to be there. And to do that, let's proceed. All right. Alright, so this is the password we are going to crack. Okay, so I'm going to close this tab, and now we are back to the system. Alright, so click on terminal. Let's go to terminal. So now we are going to I'm going to zoom it so you can see everything on it, right? So we are going to make use of command prompts. So this is where you need to know how to make use of command prompts. All right. All right. So now let's go with John. Since we are making use of John the Reaper, that is why we are starting this command with John. So it's just like calling out the stuff. So John /et/shadow. So what I did here is the John, then the folder, the stuff that is inside. So you can see warning art type, blah blah, but the stream is also recognized as crypt. Get? So now John is going to help us out.